I am Dr. Joju. This is Magic Motivation. Let's learn English tense in 5 minutes. Simple present. He writes a letter every day. Simple past. He wrote a letter yesterday. Simple future. He will write a letter tomorrow. Present continuous. He is writing a letter now. Past continuous. He was writing a letter yesterday. Future continuous. He will be writing a letter tomorrow. Present perfect. He has written a letter. Past perfect. He had written a letter. Future perfect. He will have written a letter. Present perfect continuous. He has been writing a letter. Past perfect continuous. He had been writing a letter. Future perfect continuous. He will have been writing a letter. Now, let's learn some of the time references of each tense. Simple present. Always, every day, usually, generally. He usually writes letters. He writes letters every day. He generally writes letters. Past simple. He wrote a letter last week. He wrote a letter last year. He wrote a letter last month. He wrote a letter 5 minutes ago. Future simple. He will write a letter tomorrow. He will write a letter next year. He'll write a letter next month. He'll write a letter after 10 minutes. Present continuous tense. At present, at the moment, now, today, this evening. He is writing a letter now. He is at present writing a letter. At the moment, he is writing a letter. He is writing a letter today. He is writing a letter this evening. Past continuous. He was writing a letter yesterday. He was writing a letter last year. He was writing a letter last month. He will be writing a letter tomorrow. Present perfect. Already, just, yet. He has already written a letter. He has just written a letter. He has not yet written a letter. Past perfect. He had already written a letter. Before and after. He had written a letter before he met me. He met me after he had written a letter. Future perfect. He will have written a letter. Present perfect continuous. He has been writing a letter since 2 o'clock. He has been writing a letter since yesterday. He has been writing letters since yesterday. He has been writing letters for 2 years. He has been writing letters for 2 months. He has been writing letters since January. He has been writing letters since last week. Past perfect continuous. He had been writing letters. Future perfect continuous. He will have been writing letters. Now let's try the 9 forms of tense with another sentence. He plays cricket every day. Now you may try. He plays cricket every day. He played cricket yesterday. He will play cricket tomorrow. He is playing cricket now. He was playing cricket yesterday. He will be playing cricket tomorrow. He has played cricket. He had played cricket. He will have played cricket. He has been playing cricket. He had been playing cricket. He will have been playing cricket. Dear friends, in order to learn it in a thorough manner, practice maximum. Tense is the heart of English language. Good luck from Magic Motivation.